In this video we gonna talk about omega-3 fatty acid. Why omega-3 fatty acid is important for our body. Where we get it from. The human body can make most of the types of fats it needs from other fats or raw materials. That isn't the case for omega-3 fatty acids, also called omega-3 fats and N3 fats. These are essential fats, the body can't make them from scratch but must get them from food. Foods high in omega-3 include fish, vegetable oils, nuts, especially walnuts, flax seeds, flaxseed oil, and leafy vegetables. Benefits of omega-3 fatty acids. Number 1, omega-3s can fight depression and anxiety. Omega-3 supplements may help prevent and treat depression and anxiety. EPA seems to be the most effective at fighting depression. Number 2, omega-3 can improve risk factors for heart disease. Omega-3 can reduce blood pressure levels in people with high blood pressure. Omega-3 can cause a major reduction in triglycerides. Omega-3 improve numerous heart disease risk factor. Number 3, omega-3 can fight inflammation. Omega-3s can reduce chronic inflammation, which can contribute to heart disease, cancer, and various other diseases. Number 4, omega-3 can fight autoimmune diseases. Omega-3 fatty acids can help fight several autoimmune diseases, including type 1 diabetes, rheumatoid arthritis, ulcerative colitis, Crohn's disease and psoriasis. Number 5, omega-3 may help prevent cancer. Omega-3 intake may decrease the risk of some types of cancer, including colon, prostate and breast cancer. Number 6, omega-3 may improve bone and joint health. Omega-3 may improve bone strength and joint health, potentially reducing your risk of osteoporosis and arthritis. Getting them from whole foods, such as fatty fish 2 times per week, is the best way to ensure robust omega-3 intake. However, if you don't eat a lot of fatty fish, then you may want to consider taking an omega-3 supplement. Subscribe our channel for more health-related informative videos.